my arm. I can't control that. Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the HealthmateForever TENS device. This is a through-the-skin electrical stimulator and massager. They did send me this product review, but any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. If you're interested in finding out more about this item, the link to it will be in my video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. I am not a doctor. I am not a medical professional, so be sure to consult with your doctor and get a good strategy and plan in place to get yourself feeling better again. So here's how it comes packaged to in a nice retail box with product photography. Looks great, very simple, but it's nice packaging. This has 24 modes, 20 strength levels. It's FDA clear, LCD screen that's backlit. It has a 20-hour battery rated for continuous use, and you get 2 channels, an A and a B channel as well. Let's go ahead now and open it up. Here are all the package contents. First up, you have your nice user guide installation manual. We have a warranty card. We have a thank you card right here with their customer support information and contact info there on it for you. We have a nice pad holder for you when you're done. We have 4 electro pads right here. We have 2 lead cables as well, since this is dual channel. We also have your USB Type A to USB Mini Type B cable right there, and your USB wall adapter for charging your device. And last but not least, the TENS device itself. Looks really nice on here. We got a mode and a timing button. Then we have a minus and a plus to increase or decrease the intensity. Then you can see right here, we have both plugs for the leads to attach and your off and on button. The device is very lightweight, really easy, pocket size, fits in your hand, looks nice. We have HealthmateForever on the back, 5-volt DC, made in China. So very simple, easy to use. There's the LCD screen as well. So that will be backlit for you to be able to select your mode. Now let's go over a couple more features on this device before setting it up. Be sure to follow the warnings and precautions in the user guide and also consult a medical professional. Don't use it on your heart or around your heart, on your neck, near your major arteries. You don't want to put it on your head in between your brain. And there's a lot of other steps, warnings, and procedures you need to follow. So be sure to check this out and consult with a medical professional. Once you have a strategy in place and you've consulted with the right people, go ahead, you can set up this device. Setup's going to be pretty simple and straightforward. You got to choose, do you want to use one or both channels of the device? Once you have that selected, you're going to plug in the cable right here or both cables, and then you're going to attach the leads to the electrode pads as well. So let's go ahead and do that now. So you can see we got everything set up right here. Again, we plug this cable right into the device. Then we plugged the leads into the electrode pads. Now we're ready to go ahead. Let's power on the device and look at all the different modes. So we have everything powered on right now. The screen looks great. We can see up here we got our timing section. So that's 10 minutes right now. We can move it all the way up in 10-minute increments to 80 minutes and then back to 10. Then we can see A and B right here. We can select what channel we want. You can see what channel you have selected by having it flash. So then we can adjust each channel accordingly right there. Then we can also see the 24 different modes. So we're on mode 4 right now. And they have really helpful diagrams helping you understand how they're going to feel on your body. So you can find which ones are comfortable to you. There's going to be a lot of trial and error as you get comfortable with this device. But all the settings are really easy to control. It's just these 4 controls and that center button to move between A and B. And last but not least, we can see the battery indicator for the device up there as well. Now let's go ahead. Let's try it out. So we're going to try it out on our elbow. They have a really helpful pad placement section in the user guide. Be sure to reference this because they show you different parts you can place on your body, where to place it, and also which modes correspond to best use with that. So we're going to do the elbow today, and they suggest modes 2, 6, 7, 11, and 15. Attach both pads on either side of the joint with the pane. So let's go ahead. Let's do that now. So we're just gently going to peel the pads off. Right there, you can see it's got a nice silicone material, and per the instructions, we're just going to go ahead and set one on right about, let's do right here, and then we're going to, and it's cool, the silicone's cool, so you can see we got one pad on my arm right there, and we're going to put the other pad right here as well. And that's going to work in between the elbow to hopefully help it feel better. So let's go ahead now, gently peel that one off as well. And let's stick that on right about there. So we have it on, we're all ready to go. They also recommend you want to start at the lowest strength setting first, then you can work your way up as you get comfortable with this device. So we have it on 2 right now. So let's go ahead, let's turn up the strength. We're on 1. Now we have it at strength setting 3, and I can finally feel the pulsing between the 2 electrodes, and we can move that up. There's 4, it feels super rapid, and I can really feel it in my arms. We can bring it to 5 as well. So that's just such an interesting feeling right here. And that's only a quarter of the way. You could have this set all the way to 20. For my case, for the elbow, this feels great. It's already really tightening the arm and the muscles up. So let's bring it back down. And per the instruction guide, they also recommend mode 6 and 7. So let's go over to mode 6 and try it. This one looks like somebody using their thumb to press in your skin. The first one had a little like acupuncture needle. So let's go ahead, let's try 6 out right now. We have it on 2 right there, and I already feel a twitch in my arm. Here's 3. If you can see that on the table, that's not me doing that. So that is just the impulses coming through this device. Here's 4. Again, I'm not trying to move my hand at all. And so that's just the device doing it. And it's really vibrating right now, really pulsing on there. And then we're back to twitching. And again, I am not doing that. That is just a reaction to the device. And that's only on 4. Here's 5. Really, really pulsing right there. Maybe you can see some if I hold it down here too. Really vibrating too. So it does like a quick pulse and then a vibrate like it's your phone. Trying to hold my arm down. Maybe you can see the twitch right here too. So that is on 5. We're going to keep it at 5. That seems to be a good one for us. Then let's go ahead. Let's go to mode 7. They say mode 7 is good too. This looks like 2 hands pushing on your skin. We have it set to 1 right now. Let's move it up to 2. I can start feeling it. Now we're at strength 3. I can feel that as well. That feels really nice. So feels really good on my elbow area right there. So here's 4. So definitely really just works into your body. You can really feel it. And I'm just impressed with how powerful it is only at the lower settings on here. So this one vibrates a lot on and off. So that's pretty cool. Definitely feels good. Nice massage. Now we can try out mode 11. So they say mode 11 is good for your elbows as well. This one looks like somebody is maybe using their knuckles on your skin. So let's try that out. We're on 3 already for the strength. Very similar to the mode we were just in 7, but it seems more rapid stimulation. Best way I can describe it is like the inside of your arm, your muscles and everything else is vibrating. So let's bring it to 4. That's really strong. My reaction is I want to like clench up. And again, that's only 4. Let's bring it to 5. Now it's doing some pulsing in there too. And then it's bringing it back. Oh, I really want to fight that and do that. It's really making me want to do that right there. And then the last mode let's try is 15. This also looks like a knuckle as well. Maybe 11 was a fingertip, and 15 from the diagram looks like a knuckle. So we're going to go ahead and increase that. We're at 2 right now. Here's 3. Ooh, really pulsing. 4. It gives your arm the jitters, the best way I can describe it. Here's 5. So maybe you can see my hand moving. That's all from the device. So you can see that really clear in the overhead camera right here. Look at in between my elbow, how everything is working right there. So it's just shooting a lot of different sensations throughout your arm, in between your elbow, getting all those tendons and muscles in there too. So everything works great. Definitely a powerful device just from trying it out this quick. Then when you're ready to be done, you can go ahead, you can turn off the device if you want, then just gently remove these. They are silicone, but you are able to reuse them, which is nice. Didn't pull, maybe pulled one hair off my arm, which is cool. So let's go ahead and just remove the other one as well. So it's not gonna hurt, it's not like wax or anything. And then they just have you place them on here when you're done, so then you can reuse them again later on. Overall, definitely impressed. If you're somebody with pain, be sure to consult with your doctor, see what they say about these devices and if it's the right fit for you. Well, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget the link to this product is in my video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Hit that like button for us, subscribe to our channel. We have new content coming out daily and don't want you guys to miss anything. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please don't hesitate to reach out in the comment section below. We'd be happy to answer them for you or point you in the right direction. Thank you again for watching. Follow us on social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Message us on WeChat. Check out our website and join our free newsletter. You can also follow us on Twitch and Discord. Make it a clean sweep and follow us on all of those platforms. Don't forget, we have new content coming out daily, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.